Have you ever wanted to type faster? Then this is the video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Salah and I'm a student currently studying in the UK. And over a year ago, during the first wave of the pandemic, nearly the whole world went into online learning. During that time, I made a significant discovery. I was bloody slow at typing. But over the past year of being through lockdown, I noticed how my typing speed have increased through practice of being in front of a computer 24/7. So in this video, we'll be going through some of the things that help me personally to increase my typing speed other than being in front of a computer 24/7. As usual, timestamps will be all over here and there, so let's get started. So tip number 1 is learning the correct finger positions. To type efficiently, your aim is to hit as many keys at the same time using all of your fingers, and doing it to reduce the amount of finger fatigue. So the correct position is ASDF JKO semicolon. You can find it using the little bumps on the F and J key in nearly all keyboards out there. By using this technique, you could hit keys efficiently as you would already be at the position. By using this technique, you will be able to hit around 8 keys at a specified moment. So that was one of the main techniques that helped me. Tip number 2 is some keyboard shortcuts. So these are some life-changing shortcuts that are very useful. Traditionally, when you made an error, you would use backspace multiple times to delete a word. But what if I told you there was a keyboard shortcut to do this more productively? There is. It is Control plus backspace. If you're one of those out there with Macintosh, don't worry, you can use Option and backspace, and that deletes the entire word on a Mac. So I discovered a website called 10 Fast Fingers where I would semi-regularly do practice tests there. So let's do one now. So alright, as you see, this is how the website works. So I would use this website to train that muscle memory. Okay, this is another website that also helped me to train. So let's do a test right now. So what this website does is that it would help to train all those areas that are a little bit tricky. One of the cons with this is that it's not actually making you type out real words, and that is why I prefer to use 10 Fast Fingers, as it uses the most used 200 words in the English dictionary. The whole idea of touch typing is to not hit the keys by looking at the keyboard, it is hit the keys by not looking at the keyboard. This is because it will improve the muscle memory and reduce finger fatigue later on. Now my final point is just to practice. Without practice, you won't be able to do anything. And without practice, you won't be able to obtain the muscle memory to type efficiently on a keyboard. So that's the end of the video. Hope this was useful to you. If you liked it, please like and subscribe as it really supports the channel. I recently went through a review of this very keyboard. If you want to see it, just click right here. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!